Jesus, the way to heaven. Jesus said, I am the way. Welcome all of you to this video. We are going to discuss an important matter, that is the way to heaven. What is the way, or which is the way to heaven? This is a confused topic among the people of the world. Many millions of people of the world do not know which is the right, which is the true, real way to heaven. Without knowing this reality, without knowing this truth, many millions of people of this world are going behind false gods, false man-made gods. They do not know whether they are right, whether they are true or false. Without knowing the reality, all are following man-made idols, man-made gods, man-made prophets, and man-made gods of the world. These ways will not lead you to heaven. All these man-made gods and their ways will lead to hell only. There is no any doubt. Jesus said, I am the way. Jesus said that I am the way to heaven. No one comes to the Father, no one comes to heaven without me. Except through me, no one comes to heaven. Jesus clearly said and claimed the way to heaven is Jesus. He is the way to heaven. He said himself. Clearly, he claimed that no one can lead anyone of this world to heaven. Only Jesus can take you to heaven. There is no any other way in the world to heaven. Except Jesus Christ, all the ways of the world are leading to hell only. There is no any doubt. Don't confuse yourself. You need not confuse yourself. There is no any other way to heaven. There is only one way, that is Jesus Christ only. No any other way to heaven. In this matter, there is no any doubt. Confirm yourself and come to the right way, come to heaven. Believe in Jesus Christ, worship Him, follow His principles, words of God. Come to the ways of God, and finally you can reach heaven. Otherwise, all will end up in hell. Be careful. Jesus, the way to heaven. Jesus, the way to heaven. Jesus said, I am the way. Jesus said, no one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. Jesus is the only way to heaven. There is no other way to heaven. All other ways are false, which lead to hell. How many of you know this truth? All the idol worshippers are led by the Satan to hell. Many millions of people do not know this truth. Many false prophets lead many millions of people to hell. Many false prophets lead many millions of people to hell. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like and share the video.